In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Fibonacci tool in TradingView to improve your technical analysis and spot key price levels. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open TradingView and load the chart of the asset you want to analyze. You can search for any stock, crypto, or forex pair using the search bar at the top. Once your chart is ready, move your attention to the left toolbar. Look for the Fibonacci retracement tool. It usually looks like diagonal lines or is labeled Fib retracement. Click on it. Now, choose a clear price move on your chart. If the market is trending upward, click at the lowest point and drag to the highest point. If the market is trending downward, do the opposite, from high to low. As soon as you release your mouse, you'll see horizontal lines appear across your chart. These are your Fibonacci levels. They help identify possible support and resistance zones where price may react. Now, to clean things up, right-click on the Fibonacci lines and select Settings. Inside the settings, you'll see multiple levels enabled by default. You can remove extra ones and keep only the most important levels like 0, 0.5, 0.6, 1, 8 and 1 for a cleaner chart. You can also customize colors, thickness or labels to match your style. Once done, click OK to apply the changes. Now your Fibonacci tool is set up and easy to read. You can use these levels to plan entries, exits, or identify potential reversals. That's it. You now know how to use the Fibonacci tool effectively in TradingView. Subscribe for more TradingView tips and tutorials.